Hello airhead lovers and welcome back to Airhead Barn. We are continuing this interesting restoration project of our Survivor 1975 R90S, and today we are going to focus on Swingarm. Previously we noticed that the bearings were in pretty bad shape, so we removed them, and today we are going to install new bearings inside. I already greased the bearings, and now the only thing that we need to do is put auto races inside the swing arm, put bearings in, seals, and basically we are ready to go and install this swing arm on a bike. So I hope you will like this episode and please join us. Alright, so in order to install the auto races more easily into the swing arm, I'm going to heat up the swing arm. In general, all work that we are doing, heat is always our friend, and it will make this job much simpler than it would be, just hammering this thing inside the swing arm. Okay, we are done with that, and the last remaining part is basically to install swing arm boot. Alright, so boot is directional. On one side it says Getriebeseite, that means it goes toward transmission or gearbox, and then it also has open mark, which means up. In our case this is up, so it goes like this, and then this part faces gearbox, and that's how we are going to install it. Make sure that clamp is properly seated, and then we will just need to tighten it. don't over tighten it, you don't want to cut new rubber. Alright, that looks good to me, and with that our job with the swing arm is completed and we can focus on some new components of this bike. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you some next time.